I'm going to start with some comments on the assassination attempt against former President Trump this weekend. Obviously, most of the work that we do here at the State Department relates to events overseas, and it is rare that I comment on things that happen here at home. But of course, what happens inside the United States is essential to the work that we do outside our borders. One of our responsibilities as America's diplomats is to promote our core values around the world: democracy, human rights, human dignity, and the ability to resolve our differences without resorting to violence. We know today that people around the world, governments around the world, have questions about what happened on Saturday, just as Americans do. And our message to them is simple. As President Biden has made clear, there is no place for violence in our democracy, period. We condemn this attack and all political violence strongly and unequivocally, just as we condemn political violence in any country. And just as we have condemned previous acts of political violence in the United States, whether it be the attack on members of Congress practicing for a baseball game, the brutal assault on Paul Pelosi, or of course, the horrific events of January 6, 2021. One of the things that Secretary Blinken has often spoken to is the effect of dehumanization and the cost to society when people lose sight of the core humanity they share with others, even those with whom they strongly disagree. Dehumanization is at the root of so many of the difficult challenges we face in the world, and confronting it is the key to finding solutions to the issues that divide us. So at this time, when people around the world have questions about our democracy, a big part of what we must do is show them how we respond as a nation. This morning, Secretary Blinken convened the senior leadership team here at the department to remind them that one of America's great strengths throughout our history has been our ability to reclaim our humanity, our fundamental decency after acts of tremendous violence and inhumanity. And he asked them to deliver that message around the world, to remind our allies and partners that America has faced trying times before, but that we have emerged from them stronger because of our core values that we share as a nation: a commitment to democracy, a respect for the rule of law, and a common aspiration not to let the things that divide us overwhelm those that bind us together.